Hey there, foodies. Ready to dive into the world of pistachios? Well, buckle up because I've got a surprising fact for you. Did you know that pistachios have been consumed for over 9,000 years? That's right, these little green gems have been a favorite snack for millennia. Today, we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of pistachios and why you should consider adding them to your diet. These nuts are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The misconception that pistachios are high in fat and therefore unhealthy. But fear not, my friends, because not all fats are created equal. In fact, pistachios are rich in healthy fats that can actually benefit your body in numerous ways. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of why pistachios are a powerhouse of nutrition. These little nuts are a great source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. The protein content in pistachios can help keep you full and satisfied, while the fiber promotes gut health and aids in digestion. And let's not forget about the antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. But here's the real kicker. Pistachios have a lesser-known benefit that might just surprise you. These nuts have the potential to improve eye health. That's right, pistachios are packed with nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for maintaining good vision and may even help prevent age-related macular degeneration. To wrap things up, let's summarize the amazing health benefits we've discussed today. Pistachios are a nutritional powerhouse, offering protein, fiber, antioxidants, and even potential eye health benefits. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of pistachios and reap the rewards. Now it's your turn. I encourage you to try out a delicious pistachio recipe, or share your favorite way to enjoy pistachios in the comments below. Let's spread the pistachio love and inspire others to incorporate these nutritious nuts into their daily routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.